friends, can you believe we are in our last week of writing lessons? That's crazy. We've learned so many things in the time we've been together this year in second grade. And today we're going to do a little bit of reflecting on all the things that we've done in second grade so we can write about it. So today, I'm going to read what I wrote here. Today, we will be writing a list of things that you are proud of, things you learned, and things you enjoyed in second grade. And then we will be using this list later in the week to write a letter. Okay? So let's look at some of those questions. So the most important thing I wrote down here, write on paper first. So we're going to write all of the lists that we make on paper first so that we have them, and then we can put them on Nearpod, okay? Because we want to make sure that we have that list and of that on a paper so that after we send it in, we still have it to write the letter later in the week. Sound good? Awesome. Okay. So here is the first question. I'll go like this. What is something you are proud of yourself for doing in second grade? We've done so many things in second grade. What is something you are proud of? Take a minute to think. You can pause the video if you want to and write something down. Maybe think of one or two things. What is something you are proud of yourself for doing in second grade? All right, I'll show you an example of something I wrote. Passing a step level 7, making friends in my class. These are just examples of things you could be proud of. There's so many things you did this year. I can't wait to read what you are proud of. It could be something on Lexia. It could be something you did in PE. It could be something you did in science or math. Anything. What are 2 things you're proud of? Okay? That's question number 1. Question number 2 is, what is something you learned in second grade? Holy moly, it has been a long year and we have learned so many things. Take a second and pause the video to write down something you learned in second grade. Go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm going to show you an example of something that I thought we learned. 3-digit addition and animal habitats. What did you write about? What do you think you learned? We learned so many things. And notice I'm not writing full sentences. We're just making a list so that it's easy for our brains to remember this later in the week. 3-digit addition, animal habitats. You could write about writing. You could write about reading. You could write about something interesting that you learned in science with Miss Fanika. Anything. Maybe something cool we watched in a video. Something you did at recess. Something you learned during team and family. Anything. Okay? Third question. What is something you enjoyed doing in second grade? This could really be anything. What is something you enjoyed? This could be our Valentine's Day party. This could be our solstice party. This could be something that was really small, like maybe you really enjoyed when we all talked in a circle. Go ahead and pause the video and write down something you enjoyed doing. That means something you liked doing in second grade. All right, I'm going to go and show you my ideas. Decorating the room for Madagascar winter. That's something that we did in SFSU. I know lots of classes had fun decorating for the solstice. That could be something fun you remember and write down. Another thing I wrote down for my SFSU friends, doing the We Are the Gators cheer at Team and Family. It could be anything. All right, last question for today. Who are friends you had fun with in second grade? This could be a long list. I know there's so many friends that we made. This could be a friend in your class. It could be a friend in a different class or maybe in a different grade. I made a list of all of my friends in second grade. Not all, well, these are all my teacher friends. Mr. Salazar, Miss Fanika, Mr. Times, and Miss Lerma. All right, so remember we're writing this all on paper, And then when you are done writing these 4 questions down on paper and you're in your list for them, then you can write them on Nearpod, okay? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I can't wait to see the things that you remember and loved most about second grade. We had such a year, and I'm so proud of all of you.